All right, so we're gonna have my gi, Tatami Leve, size A0. So we are gonna look. Opening. Oh yeah, Tatami. Is that sexy? See here, A0. So. Hopefully the pants is not too long for me. Oh, looks like it'll be perfect. All right. Oh yes. Tommy here. And then. Oh yes. Tommy Leve. All right, well, try this out. Let's go. All right, so I'm 5'5", 130, 135, depending, but A0, Tatami Leve. It's perfect. My short Asian legs and all of that, so I guess the gi come up to here is perfect. So I guess that BJJ legal, I guess whatever it's called, I don't know. So it's good. Down here, so it's not below my, so it's like right at my butt top. It's perfect. The length is perfect too. So just looking at here, see if I was put up here, perfect. So if I wash it, if I shrink a little bit like that, so far it's so good. A0 Tatami Leve.